But here's the one that blew me away. I was reading up on this and I thought, that's kind of weird. If you look at the revolution of the planets in our solar system, you got Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, the asteroid belt, Mars, Earth, and Venus, and Mercury. If you adjust the observed orbits just slightly to what I'll call here the theoretical orbits, each one is a Fibonacci ratio to the previous one. These are the same ratios that you find in the elm, the beech, the apricot, the pear, the almond, the elm, the pine, and three different pine numbers. You say, what on earth does the trees have to do with the design of the solar system? Very simple. The same guy did both of them. The same guy had an insight of what makes things beautiful. That beauty is an elusive concept on the one hand, and yet we discover there's certain rules even in design that we find. Let's just take one more. If we take the golden rectangle, take a square out of it, take another square out of it, take another square out of it, we have, with the golden rectangle, we can create a spiral, right? It's the only spiral that does not alter its shape as it grows. It has that peculiar mathematical property. And you've all seen one. It was called the chambered nautilus shell. You find that in the hurricane, spiral seeds, the ram's horn, the tail of a seahorse, fern leaves, the DNA molecule. You'll find it in waves breaking on a beach, tornadoes, galaxies, the tail of a comet around the sun, whirlpools, seed patterns of sunflowers, daisies, and dandelions, the ears of all mammals, and especially the cochlea of the human ear. You have one in your ear that helps convert the sound vibrations into pulses that the ear can transmit.